Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I am Kanmani Pandian. I am a professional makeup artist. Today I'm super excited to share a review and tutorial featuring the Recode Silky Matte Mini Lipstick. These little gems have been making waves in the beauty community, so let's dive in and see what they are all about. So guys, here we have the Recode Silky Matte Mini Lipsticks. They comes in a variety of shades that are perfect for any occasion. The packaging is sleek and travel friendly, making it easy to carry in your purse. Let's try one by one. I'm showing you how it is on the lips. These lipsticks have only 1 to 10 numbers, not any shade name in the package. Okay, first I'm showing you the lipstick application 1 to 10, one by one on my lips. The lipstick formula feels very silky on the lips and dries down to be beautiful matte finish. It doesn't feel drying at all, which is big plus for a matte lipstick. And I am absolutely loving how this lipstick feels and looks. It's perfect for everyday wear, night out or brides. The staying power is impressive and it doesn't budge easily. Overall, I highly recommend the Recode Silky Matte Mini Lipsticks. They are affordable, high quality and comes in a great range of shades like bright reds, maroons, pinks and nude shades for everyday look. You can choose according to your complexion, but everyone has something in this lipstick package. Then why are you waiting? Get ready to slay all day with your choice of shade from Recode 10 Mini Liquid Lipstick. These provide high coverage in just one swipe and have a weightless creamy texture. These are paraben free, mineral oil free and not tested on animals, and it gives a feather-light feel and there will be no more stretching or cracking in your lips. These are waterproof and smudge proof depending upon your skin conditions, and always don't apply matte lipsticks without blotting your lip balm or lip oil, whatever you apply on your lips for moisture. And for the nude shades, line your lips with the darker shade lip pencil and apply nude lipstick. This is perfect for nude lips. If you want a nude lip shades tutorial, please let me know in the comments. And I showed you the Recode liquid lipstick swatches on my hands, and I did waterproof test also. It's completely waterproof, smudge proof and long lasting. So guys, if you enjoyed this review, don't forget to give a thumbs up in this video, subscribe my channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Let me know in the comments which shade is your favorite, or if you have any other product you would like me to review. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one. Bye.